started up.
What are you saying? What the hell, mate? We know him personally anyway, mate. He plays football.
Not Liam, is it?
He plays football. He likes football. Something else to take talk about. And yeah. So,
He eats spams, aren't he?
Mums are laughing, mate. Yeah, because I haven't seen her like. They were like, oh yeah, I know you've got a bad back with camera then. Like, when you spent day with me yesterday. I mean, she was like,
you just had it up.
I think she was like, you know, she's actually really early.
You're not right, you just trust me.
Yeah.
Don't believe it. No
Just don't want to go out fucking as the door.
If I haven't got it, it doesn't exist.
Yeah, hay fever.
Yeah.
You don't have hay fever, mate. Got a room in the house.
You get seasick.
No. Not really. I have to all of them are Sorry.
What is it, man?
It's September as well and all that. Fucking storms start coming.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. We got pissed. I don't even drink all.
Not even set off. Just checking in.
Sorry. I get seasick. Still on that. Still in cat.
Yeah. Spine on
So you slow drive. Yeah.
This is alright, old tea.
That's how I've done it. I'm actually in the kitchen ages ago.
No?
It was like 2 years ago.
Chopped his pinky off?
No. Yeah. One at gas stores on Webster. And we wet it, didn't we?
Really?
Yeah, he ended up with that real bit of milk around and stuff. Some on his face.
No wonder they didn't want to like that thing then.
And I'm gone, mate. Yeah, that's it, chef.
Stop turning that off, bro. And that is a wrap. That job is finished. 2.5 days. Literally, Tom's coming back in morning to put half a ton of soil in and just lay 2 flags where them posts are. But yeah, it's nice and short. I love it. Get paid, off of a job. They delay in paying and whatnot, and then we fund all this job, and then, but when they both come in day after each other, so the highs and the lows. Anyway, less of that. Don't want the guy in Canada moaning. I don't know if anybody needs subtitles for me, but I do apologise, but probably up there or down there in the bottom corner, if you press your 3 dots, subtitles will come up because I've qualified for them. And I think I've got auto dubbing. If you're Indian or you're Chinese or whatever, it comes out in your language. I've qualified for that as well. But yeah, there's a guy in Canada who emailed me off of his lass's email. Don't know why I don't have a known email address, saying, stop talking. I don't know what's up with you. You're Welsh. Racist. And you need to get some subtitles on. That's your job to put subtitles on, because secondly, I'm not Welsh. I like Wales. I love Welsh accent. It's quite sexy on a girl. I'm from Yorkshire. Up here, we miss words when we're talking. So we go to pub. We don't go to the pub. We go to pub.
Onto road.
We'll go on to road. Yeah, have you got me kite? Do you know what I mean? We talk. Not Welsh. So anyway, don't want to annoy people in Canada, but thanks for watching anyway. Might not even be Canada. Might be Massachusetts. Is that even Canada? America? See, that's how much we know you guys. Anyway, I will not see you tomorrow. I've got doctors and hopefully a scan. They're pushing me through now, so I'm good on my back. So I'll see you at Wednesday, 8 o'clock sharp.